Here I am at an abandoned trailer park, just walking around, taking some videos. Pretty interesting place. Shopping carts, tires, plumbing from trailers. There's just like trailer parks everywhere. Books, trailers, just trailer stuff everywhere. Here's an old abandoned trailer here. Somebody just left. It's all locked up though. No wheels on the trailer. It's funny. But that's what the trailer looks like. Actually, this looks like more like a shed kind of thing here. I'm not sure. This was probably a part of another trailer a long time ago. And it just looks like somebody just dumped the frame here. It actually looks like somebody just made this like a dumping ground kind of for like bad trailers. There's a sink from a trailer. Yeah, this is like all trailer stuff. All trailer stuff. Oh look, there's a stove. All trailer stuff. Wow. So we're gonna walk this way. I'm gonna check out this over here, which at one point looked like it was a trailer. You can actually see, the engine. Looks like people have been pulling parts off of it, I guess. We'll walk around, look at all that stuff from it on the ground. This is so, so cool. This is what the inside of it looks like. Really old. It's really, really old. Again, more parts from the trailer that somebody took off. This is a very long trailer. Oh, this must have been maybe a mobile home, I guess. Here's the back part of it. Oh look, there's a hitch. Alright, let's go to the next one. And we'll check this one out. Oh, spare tire. Checking all around. It looks like somebody put these here, and then they just destroy them. Steering wheel. Engine. Okay. Let's walk around the front so we can see what's going on here. Here we go. Let's take a view at the engine again. Right there. There's the engine. There's the drive axle. Wow, look how rusted this thing is. Woo, wow, rusted. Another trailer. One wheel. Very interesting. This is actually open, which is kind of cool. You can actually see into it. There we go. That's kind of cool. This probably was a nice trailer a long time ago. Let's see. We'll go around again. We'll go around this side. See if I can. See if we can. We'll take a back view of it. There's the main door. Here's inside of it. Wild. This is so cool. Here's the side of it. And then that's the back view of the trailer. Alright, here is another trailer. Totally rusted. Holy cow, wow. But cool though, this is actually really cool. I guess you used to be able to step up right there to go in. Oh, no tires. Oh, there's the tire right up there. Wow, look at that big hole down there. That's a big hole. Part of a truck. That actually looks like it's a bathtub. Or a bathtub, yeah. And then this is just debris from the trailers being destroyed. This is probably part of a trailer that probably went to one of these. And it's just so much stuff just all over the ground here. It's just like full of glass and wires, shades. So I don't really know what's going on with this, but I definitely want to investigate this. But this is pretty cool. More trailer stuff. More trailer stuff. And it does smell like somebody's been burning this stuff. I'll show you that. But it looks like somebody's been putting this stuff in like a fire pit and just burning it. So here, I'll show you that too. See, somebody's been burning it all there. Very weird. And this is the inside of what they've been burning. But it's pretty cool. Just burning all kinds of stuff. Here's a box of like electrical cables. I guess they probably went to the RVs for trailers. So let's see what we got over here. Some cut up wood. Oh, there's a mirror. I think I see another trailer over there. There's another trailer there. And there's another trailer tucked up in that corner over there too. And if you see all the way over there, there's tires. So, very interesting place I found. Yep, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Here is an abandoned trailer park that I found. All kinds of stuff, from car carriers, shopping carts, plumbing, tires, glass, mobile homes, toys. Yeah, pretty much a lot of stuff here. No tires on the wheels, which is kind of interesting, I think. This is the back of it. I think that's like a storage shed or something, I'm guessing. This is a frame from an old trailer somebody just ditched. Now we're gonna walk over to here, and I actually found a sink, which is kind of cool. Found more parts that were opened up. Probably the shell from it, from the camper. It's just parts are everywhere. Old mattress, bed springs, propane tanks. There's an old stove. More parts. Another sink. Oh, another mattress or something. air conditioner units. Alright, let's go over this way. Oh, more part of the couch. Just parts of furniture and electrical equipment. Probably tub. This is a camper that somebody has been stripping and taking parts off of it, as you can tell. That's kind of interesting. Pretty cool. More stuff on the ground from it. And alright, so let's see here. We're gonna go up. That's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. The engine over there is the engine. Steering wheel. Check out that floor. Oh, more trash and debris and yuckiness. Okay, let's see what we can find. Some more rugs that were probably ripped out. This is probably the back of it. Alright, here's another trailer. Let's see what we can find and what we can video here. That's kind of cool steering wheel. Let's check out that engine. We're checking out that engine. Yeah, it looks like it's been pretty much like picked over and stuff. There's the brake and gas, all the wires. I'm just going to walk to the back. Spare tire right there. Alright, let's walk around. We're going to walk around. Alright, this is the front view here of the engine. See, somebody's been tearing it apart and stuff. Here's the other camper. That's here. All broken. Let's see if we can get inside here. Let's see. Hold on. That's what the inside looks like. That's what the inside looks like. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Here, we'll go in this, we'll check this way. This is another view. There's the sink. Put the GoPro back in. Okay, cool, cool, cool. More metal. More metal. Another camper, it looks like. It looks like a truck part of a truck there. Another part of a camper. And just a lot of trash around here. We're just gonna take a little walk. Look at all the glass. I see a lot of glass here. A lot of window frames. A lot of doors. Yep, nothing in that trash can. A window, broken window. Big pile of dirt. Big dirt pile. Here's more stuff from a camper. Looks like a siding for something or other. Fire extinguisher. More stuff here. big piles, big piles. Now we're gonna come over to here, and I see that it looks like somebody has been having fires here. So we're gonna check it out. Yep, definitely somebody's been having fires here. Checking the inside, yep. So it's pretty interesting. More parts of RVs. Yep. This is all trash here, and this is all wires. All wires and screws and nails and electrical, like lots of electrical stuff in here. So, kind of cool. Plumbing, seat belts, trash, more trash. Make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.